I'm in another rental property here in Medellin. This is the common area for energy living. So I'm gonna do a quick tour. This is on the first floor as you come in. And I'm gonna do a quick tour of the apartment. So this is a co-working area. One thing's nice about Medellin again, there's a patio that you can look out and enjoy nature. So it's another nice common area. So let me show you the rest. So as you come in, you'll see there's a living area. I'm gonna take you right into the living area. As you come out, you'll see you have a sitting area here. And you have a large balcony. And here's the joy. You have a dining area and you have a private jacuzzi. And let me take you back in and show you the rest of the apartment. We have a fully equipped kitchen, coffee, everything you need here. Interesting perspective. So we'll take you in the master bedroom. Let me tell you what I love about this apartment. Here's a desk for our digital nomads. We have a king size bed. Let's give you a nice perspective here. You'll see we have AC. There's a large bedroom. And let me take you out. What I love about this is look very closely. Right here by your master bedroom, what do you have? Direct access to your own private jacuzzi. Let me take you into the bathroom. Here's kind of a large closet area we're walking through with built-ins. And then as you can see, you have a bathroom here. And you have a large shower. And if you pan up, you will see a shower head. And you actually have windows there. So it's a really nice, large shower. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment here at Energy Living. Energy is the most iconic building here in Medellin. And let me take you into the second bedroom. As you enter, this is a queen bed. You'll see the TV, fully appointed. You also see kind of a built-in closets with your safe as well. And one thing I like about this is both bedrooms have access to the patio. And right outside your door, here's the second bathroom, full bath here. And then you have a shower. And once again, you look up, you have a rain shower head. So it's really, really nice. So as we're here in this apartment I purchased in Energy Living about 5 years ago. Energy is a very iconic building. It has a tourist license which allows you to rent short-term or long-term. This building is iconic. It has a reputation. It has a rooftop pool, it has a jacuzzi, it has a sauna, it has a world-class Alchemist restaurant on the first floor. It has a common area. It has all kinds of amenities. This is really a lifestyle property. People love Energy. This is properties in high demand. It's been a really good investment for me. It's also nice to come and stay here as well. I love this apartment. It's 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, but from a lifestyle, every available amenity is here. They have room service if you want to order food from the restaurant downstairs. If you want to go listen to live music with a DJ, you can go downstairs. In addition to that, you have many opportunities. So let me give you some examples. If you want to, not only have room service, you want to organize some kind of social event like a birthday party. You can go downstairs and you can reserve an area of the restaurant. They have a billiard table. So it has that in. It has a rooftop pool with a jacuzzi with a panoramic view over the city, which is beautiful. I'll take you up and show you that. And so it's just a wonderful place. So if you're looking for a place to stay and come and explore Medellin, you just want to come on vacation, here's one of the places, many places that you can come and stay. So stay tuned, I'll show you a little bit more. This is about investing for freedom. In terms of return, this property, since I've owned it, has doubled in its market value. I was fortunate enough to get a pretty good deal on this property, but because of its demand, because of the amenities, since I've owned this property, it's gotten nicer. The building's gotten nicer. It's been professionally managed. The 24-hour security is excellent. And so this building, the investment of the HOA in terms of, taking it higher and higher in terms of its luxury offerings has been consistent. So this has been really a great investment, and I'm proud to have this in my portfolio.